Alright, y'all, it is time. Right here we have Superior Spartan, my new 3D printed Beyblade. It has a thick defensive wall. It has over and kick. It is, again, the quite literal embodiment of Spartan kick. It can, when it reaches the side, the same as push back, it just kicks back. It has the power. Anyway, we're going to be doing some test battles with it right now. We're going to start with my first Bay, Kaiser Kerbeus, but this is the Hasbro version, so Kerbeus K2. Then we're going to go against Proto Spartan. We don't really talk about Proto that much. And then right here we have Shield Spartan, the evolution of Proto, and this and Superior is the evolution of Shield. It is time. Without further ado, let's get into the battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. That's the first test launch. Spartan vertical. Okay, so that was a flat launch with this kick driver. Let's go for tilt. I don't know why Spartan wants to go crazy. Alright, that is crazy. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get fast into the launch. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Counter type versus defense type. There we go. Burst finish. As expected. First Bay defeated by the most recent. Alright. And that was in right spin mode. It also has left spin capabilities when I switch out this core. But I'm not going to do that yet. This is just the right spin testings. And, alright, proto time. This is pretty fun. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Back tilt. Let's see how Spartan deals with Spartan. Alright. Proto's going in for the attack now. But Shield, Superior has taken the center. Superior is gonna just win this, I think. Out of sheer determination. It's just heavy wall versus heavy wall. One stamina, one is defense. But Proto doesn't have as much weight, so I'm thinking Proto may lose. If Proto wins, that's just Proto being Proto. Alright, we're launching Proto first here because it's Proto Spartan. What do you expect? It has the ungodly stamina. 3. Oh. Is this, no, it didn't burst. What is going on here? 3, 2, 1. Let it. 3, 2, 1. Let it. That's right. Don't let it catch balance. Come on, Spartan. Use that kick driver. Spartan kick. Alright. I swear, if Proto wins. It's because it's a circle, guys. It's because it's a circle. We don't talk about Proto. That's why. Alright. Anyway, we got Shield Spartan. It is damaged from a bunch of attacks against Guilty and other Beyblades. But I want to see what mainly will happen when it hits, when the hits contact point. I want to see it go flying. Let's go ahead and get into that stamina driver launch first. Oh shoot. A piece of shield already broke off. I forgot. It's broken. Shoot. Oh. We'll have to do a rematch one day, an actual testing battle, full on, just between these two. But I have to get the shield layer reprinted. That is great. All right. Anyway, let's go into some more Beyblades. All right, continuation. Since Superior is a DB compatible only system, we're gonna go against some DB bays. So we have right here this trash Valkyrie, I guess, is, you know, it's Savior Valkyrie is this is the unawakened form, and we're also gonna go against its awakened form. All right, let's go ahead and get into that. Spartan launches first. Unawakened. And lost. Alright. That's in, of course, right spin mode. Already getting some minor scrapes on it, but that's fine. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Alright, Valkyrie, jump. Now. That was, that's self-KO, we're not going to count that, but it would have lost anyway. Because Superior is just that strong. Anyway, let's go against another defense type. Alright, so we got right here Super Keen, MM, Hyperion, Giga, and Zeal. This is a tournament combo I will be using. I'm going to probably change out the core for LR, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into Beyblade. This is also the first battle I'm going to be switching to left spin after the first battle. Gonna first test out in right spin. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Nice Spartan. Again, defensive type barrages is just against defense. See what happens. Alright, Super Keen loses. Alright, and now we're going to switch it up for this one. So we're going to pop out the interlock core and get my other one over here. This is the left spin version. I'm going to pop it in here again. Credit to Xeno. I would probably edit that at the beginning of the video. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the battle. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let rip. 3, 2, 1, let rip. Oh, and it died, but it did do Spartan vertical. That is crazy. Alright, we're gonna have to hand spin. We have to hand spin this. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. There we go. Pick up speed, run out of time. Going head to head is a way of life. Gotta fall down, meet ground to get back up again. Come on. Let's Beyblade. Oh, lost. Alright. Let's give it a light launch. Light launch versus hard spin. So yeah, Spartan, I guess, has a theme for verticals. That's crazy. That is fun. I'm gonna name that scene, I guess, Superior Vertical. Yeah, we'll call that move Superior Vertical. Alright, now we're actually getting to the real game of stamina. Alright, that goes to Superior, of course, as expected. Anyway, let's get ahead and get a different Beyblade, shall we? Let's test. So we've done same spin. Okay, we've done opposite spin defensive stamina, but what about pure stamina? This is a pure stamina type I created. Not gonna. It's just outer. No, illegal. Sorry, and Mobius bearing. Go ahead and launch that. Opposite spin stamina first. Look at that counter. Midnight really does have the power there. Okay, kick counter. Come on. There we go. Bunch of kick counters there. But it's got to balance. Okay. Superior barrage. Voice crack. Oops. Anyway, Superior barrage is working. until it didn't. I guess it's a loss because technically this was just going off that own accord right there. All right, now we switch it to same spin stamina. All right, same spin. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Win this, Spartan, keep spinning. Aw. I love that. Alright, we're gonna do that again. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. There we go. That's right, go underneath. Go for the destruction. Pause Spartan. Ah, gosh darn it. Not enough stamina. Alright, well that's fine, that's fine. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. And sometimes you just get a jank battle. Rest in peace, the original Shield Spartan. Alright, what other Beyblades do we have? No, I don't want to destroy Spartan. Let's go against Pro Series Wizard Fafnir. Light launched. And so that's going to be fun. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Instant death. Good. Show them how much you hate Hasbro. Oh, it was so close to a burst too. It was like one click off. Technically there was no click, so it was on the slide. We're gonna do that again. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 2, 1. Alright, Spartan. You got this. Kill Mirage. Or is it Wizard? It's Wizard, not Mirage. I'm stupid. Come on, Spartan. Show them why Wizard sucks. Actually, Wizard is pretty good stamina, so. Tie. Alright, well, that's a perfect tie. I don't know how to grade that. We'll just stop that there. What else do we have? Slash Valkyrie. Of course, the stock of the, what's it called? Pro Series. I just forgot the name for some reason. Alright, right spin only, of course. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Couldn't get the vertical in time. We'll do that one more time. 3, 2. Actually, wait. Spartan first. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh gosh darn it. Alright, you know what? Give it the legendary. Technically, Spartan went out of his own accord, so I'm not going to count that. I'm going to say it would win in a basic stadiums testing, but this is this is stupid. I don't know. I mean, Pro Series is great and all if you don't have to carry Tommy bays, if you want to carry Tommy like bays, but you want the official stuff, or 3D print your own. Look at that. Kick, counter, restabilize. There we go. And that is Superior Spartan. Over and kick. Beautiful Beyblade. I love it. 10 out of 10. It is one of my favorites. And yeah, until next time, let it rip.